I'm Deb Wells with Living Well Realty. Welcome to my listing at 911 Hawthorn Drive in Prosper, Texas. One of my favorite features of this home is the beautiful views of the sparkling pool from the kitchen, family, and the master bedroom. It also has a dedicated home office, a guest bedroom on the first floor, a game room, and a media room. It's located on a premium corner lot in one of Prosper's most beloved neighborhoods, Willow Ridge. You gotta check it out, so enjoy the tour and call us to see it in person.